Hello, welcome to our channel. So my name is Julfikar from Learn Advanced English. In today's lessons, I am going to share with you one key point of English which is called not givens. Now I know most of you know good elaborations of not givens, but here I am going to tell you in further detail of not given. So let's get started. So the first of all, what do you mean true, false, not givens? If the text agree with the information, then the answer is true. If the text is contradicts or it is opposite to the information in the statement, then the answer is false. Yes, I believe so. But here, what do you actually mean not givens? How and when you will decide is it not given or not, and why? If you know, then it is better for your English literacy. If you don't know, then let me explain. Now, not given means if there is no more information or it is impossible to know the information in the statement, then the answer is not given. Now, how you will decide is it not given or not? That is the question for you. To decide whether not givens or true false, you need to scan the text by the meanings of their statements, not with the words. This is the common mistake that most of the students were doing. To decide not givens, what you need to do is scanning the information by the meanings of sentence, by the meanings of statements, not with the words. So when you are going to match any information in the text, you need to scan with the meanings of sentence, not with words. Now it is because you may not find the same words between the statements and text. So what you need to do here is to decide not givens. Scan the information by the meanings of statements. Is it clear? So hope you enjoy this lessons, and if you like this video, please hit the like buttons, and if you don't like, then don't. But however, subscribe to our channel because in the future we are going to provide several tips and tricks of English. So stay safe. See you then.